back to Supermom TV, and today is another episode of Q&A Friday. So one of my YouTuber friend, Melissa, she have a question for me. She's interested to know how I edit my YouTube videos, how I do the transitions, and how to make my video more lively and more interesting. So thank you, Melissa, for your question. So since today is Q&A Friday, I'm going to answer your question with a little demo on my laptop. So if you guys want to check Melissa's channel out, please do so. I will link her channel down in the description below. Her channel is very interesting. She introduces Singapore hawker food. So if you're interested to know more about Singapore food, you can check her channel out. So I'm going to demo how I edit my videos, and I chose a video that I'm going to upload next week. The video is how I make my own snacks. So if you are new here, welcome, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button and join my family. I upload 3 videos a week: Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Monday is gonna be a Bliss Monday, Wednesday is a Know-How Wednesday, and Friday is a Q&A Friday, just like today. And don't forget to click the little bell so that you will be notified every single time a new video is out. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm using Filmora for video editing. So I've imported all the files, and I just need to drag down the files one by one. So this is my first file. Usually I just trim away the starting part. I detached the audio for this clip here because I've also recorded another audio on my iPhone. So I detached the audio file and removed the video clip, so that I'm left with just the audio file. So right now what I'm doing is trying to match my audio file with my main video. And trim away those unwanted parts. Next, I will be doing the intro. For this intro, I will take a snippet of one of the clip. Just a small snippet and delete away the rest. I will also detach the audio file and delete the file, because I don't need any audio for this intro. And I also decrease the speed. That means lower down the speed by 2 times. Sorry, by 0.5 times. That means half the speed. So right now I'm choosing the titles for my intro. I have some custom custom titles. These are the titles that I often use, so I put it under custom. So this Filmora software is very good. They have a lot of presets, and you can customize your own fonts and customize your own titles, and everything is adjustable. If you don't like to create your own, you can also use the presets. I like to overlay my intro with my channel name, Supermom TV, which I've uploaded, and I've designed this myself. If you're interested to know how I design this, please let me know in the comments below. Now you can go ahead and add more clips to your video. I prefer to add my clip one by one, as I don't like to dump all in and edit all at one time. I feel that editing my video one by one is easier for me. Now you can add your transition. I like to use this simple row 7 and also add a sound effect of swoosh sound to make the transition more interesting. Now is the time to trim away all the ers and all the gaps in between, like so. So you can see from the audio timeline, a lot of flat lines, so those are the ones that need to clip away. One way of making your video more interesting is I like to add on text. So some text I like to add on because I want to exaggerate what I'm saying. Like for instance, this video clip, I want to say crunchy, like the snack that I made is very crunchy. So I will put a text there, a caption. And also do a motion, add on a motion to this text. Crunchy and so easy to make. So crunchy. And I also like to add some animation. So this Filmora actually have a lot of animation in their library, which is very useful for me. And to further emphasize what I'm saying, I even add a sound effect, like so. It really elevates the whole video experience. I also like to spice things up by cutting portion of the clip and speed it up. This way will make your video much more interesting. Right now my video is showing the end product of the chips that I made. So this is like some kind like the outro. So I put a transition, and this transition will showcase my end product. So usually I will put a subscribe button to remind my viewers to subscribe to me and turn on the notification bell. And this is in a GIF format, so it's an animated subscribe button. So I will go ahead and put in some text, and I will also insert the end screen. So I have pre-made this end screen, and every single video I will put this end screen. If you're interested to watch the whole video, please stay tuned. This coming Monday, I'll be uploading this video. So now I'm heading back to the start of my video and check everything is okay. So for this clip, for the intro, I wanted to put in something more fun because it's an ASMR intro, so I'm not supposed to talk aloud, or I'm not supposed to put any music as well. So I think it would be nice for me to put a little caption saying hi, and it's like an animated caption. This way it will make the viewers more compelled to carry on watching. Because the start of the video is very important. If you make your starting of the video more fun, your viewers will continue watching and will increase your watch time as well. Now to the final step. That is to add a nice background music to your whole video. The background music is very important, and it will make your video so much more nicer to watch. So I have chosen this song, and please bear in mind that you need to look for royalty-free music, and you can get it from the YouTube audio library. For the entire music clip, I will make adjustment of the volume. For example, the intro part, I will increase the volume, and for the parts that I'll be talking, I will reduce the volume. And for the end screen, I will also increase the volume. I will put a fade towards the end of the end screen clip. So that's all for this tutorial. I hope you find it helpful. If you do, please help to share this video, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!